Hey, Health Spiffy fam. Leo M here, and today we're diving headfirst into a topic that's sweet, addictive, and sometimes sneaky: sugar. Welcome to Sugar Detox, breaking free from the sweet trap right here on Health Spiffy. Are you ready to untangle the web of sweetness and reclaim control over your health? Let's jump in. Understanding the sweet trap. Now, we all love a sweet treat now and then, right? But what happens when that occasional indulgence turns into a daily habit, and we find ourselves trapped in the allure of sugar? Today, we're unraveling the mystery of the sweet trap and, more importantly, how to break free. The sugar dilemma? The sugar dilemma is real, my friends. On one hand, it's everywhere, lurking in our beverages, hiding in our snacks, and even making surprise appearances in so-called healthy foods. On the other hand, excess sugar intake has been linked to a plethora of health issues, from weight gain to increased risk of chronic diseases. Types of sugar. Let's start by understanding the types of sugar. It's not just the sugar we spoon into our coffee. It's also the hidden sugars with names like sucrose, fructose, and high fructose corn syrup. Knowing the enemy is the first step in this battle for your health. The sweet trap's impact on health. Now, let's talk about the impact on health. Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even mental health issues. It's not just about the calories. It's about the havoc sugar can wreak on our bodies over time. Sugar's sneaky hiding spots. Sugar is a master of disguise, hiding in plain sight in foods labeled as low-fat or healthy. From sauces to salad dressings, it sneaks into our diet, often unnoticed. We'll uncover these hiding spots and arm you with the knowledge to spot them on the ingredient list. Engaging in a sugar detox? Now, let's shift gears and talk about the solution: a sugar detox. It's not about depriving yourself, but rather redefining your relationship with sweetness. It's like hitting the reset button on your taste buds and giving your body a chance to recalibrate. Setting realistic sugar detox goals. Setting realistic goals is key. Going cold turkey might sound appealing, but it's not always sustainable. We'll discuss gradual steps to ease into your sugar detox, ensuring you don't feel overwhelmed but still make progress toward a healthier lifestyle. Reading labels. The sugar detective. Time to unleash your inner sugar detective. We'll delve into the art of reading labels, teaching you how to navigate the tricky terrain of ingredient lists and nutritional facts. It's like decoding a secret language that empowers you to make informed choices. Healthy sugar alternatives? Not all sweeteners are created equal. We'll explore healthier alternatives like honey, maple syrup, and stevia, discussing their pros and cons. It's about finding a balance between satisfying your sweet tooth and nourishing your body with better choices. Meal prep for a sugar-free week. Meal prep takes center stage in our sugar detox journey. We'll share practical, sugar-free meal ideas that are not just nutritious but also delicious. It's like having a weekly menu that keeps you on track and excited about your sugar-free adventure. Navigating social situations. Sugar-free style. What about social situations? We'll tackle the challenges of attending gatherings, parties, and dinners while staying true to your sugar-free commitment. It's about navigating the social landscape without feeling like you're missing out on the fun. Mindful eating and cravings management. Mindful eating becomes our secret weapon. We'll discuss techniques to manage cravings and listen to your body's signals. It's like developing a sixth sense that helps you differentiate between true hunger and emotional triggers. Tracking progress and celebrating milestones. Tracking progress is crucial. We'll guide you on how to monitor your sugar intake, celebrate small victories, and stay motivated throughout the detox. It's like having a personal scoreboard that reflects your journey toward a healthier you. The long-term sweet freedom. Our ultimate goal is long-term sweet freedom. We'll discuss strategies to maintain a balanced relationship with sugar even after the detox. It's about embracing a lifestyle where sweetness enhances rather than dominates your well-being. So, are you ready to break free from the sweet trap? If you're excited about reclaiming control over your health, hit that subscribe button, join the Health Spiffy community, and let's embark on this sugar detox journey together. This is Leo M, signing off. until our taste buds dance to a healthier rhythm. Glowing star biceps.